welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to talk about Boxycharm. I received this baby on April 11th, but shit happens in life, and now is when I had the time to film this video and to show you guys what I received for this month. So if you guys are interested in what I received in my box this month and this eye look that I created, even though it's a little bit crazy, then please just keep on watching. So basically I did my eyebrows, I did my foundation, I put a little bit of blush, and actually a lot of blush. And anyways, I'm going to start. So the minute I open the box, I see that this has changed, and I have 10% off from Tarte and a VIP offer. That is pretty cool. I'm definitely going to use that because I love Tarte. Tarte is actually one of my favorite brands and I love this. Okay, so the first item that I'm taking out of the box is this baby right here, and this is a liquid highlight from the brand Tarte. Glow Like a Goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. So I'm not a big fan of liquid highlighters. For some reason I prefer powder highlighters, but anyways, this retails for $29, so my goodness. So this is in the color Stunner. Ooh, that is intense. Wow, that is very pretty. That's a lot. Oops. It looks a little bit chunky and it's not really my preference. Also, it dries really fast, so you do have to work fast with this product, and I mean fast. So for my next item, I am so happy. It's this beautiful palette from ColourPop, and this is the Element of Surprise. Just look at those colors, you guys. Gorgeous colors. It doesn't have a mirror, but I really don't mind that. I mean, I do prefer a mirror, but I'm okay with it. Anyways, I'm gonna start with the swatches, but I have no idea which name is which. Like, I always get confused. It's just kind of annoying just flipping the palette constantly to see which name is which. So anyways, I'm just gonna go directly to swatch. So this color here, this is the first row. That pink is beautiful. Okay, so this is the third row. Wow, that one's so pretty. If you have not tried ColourPop before, you are seriously missing out. I highly recommend ColourPop, guys. ColourPop is amazing at such an affordable price. Highly recommended. So anyways, this palette, Element of Surprise, retails for $16. And it says, let me read a little bit of what it says in here. So it says, our first palette with all four finish. Matte, metallic, satin, and duochrome. A little bit of mess going on here in this table. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm going to start off with this color right here, and I'm going to be putting it all over my base. I'm going to get this color right here for my transition shade. Ooh, pigment. Now I'm going to get this color right here. That's intense. Why are my eyes so irritated? It's not because of the eyeshadows though. I just woke up with an irritated eye. Right here, and I'll be putting it kind of like in the center. Pops out a little bit more. So my eyes look a little bit crazy, but I'm loving it. So I'm going to put this bright pink, and I'm going to be putting the color in my tear duct, or around my tear duct, because hey, why not? Let's complete the madness. Guys, when I say this is pigmented, this is pigmented, okay? I want to use every single color in this palette. So now I'm going to use this purple shade. Ooh, so pretty. And I'm going to be putting it right over here in my bottom lash.
Yo te daría lo que quieras, mi corazón, mi vida entera. Tú pide que yo te voy a complacer. Yeah. Quiero recordarte que yo soy tu.
This color right here. Well, let me put a little bit of mascara now, and I'm going to be using the Bad Girl Band Mascara from Benefit. So the next item that I'm going to be talking about is the Brow Gel Tinted Eyebrow Gel, and I love this brand. Long time ago we received this in a Boxycharm, and I always use this color for my eyebrows, which I already did them. I don't think this is gonna work. It says light hair 03, and look at the color, you guys, compared to my eyebrows. Just look at that difference. But anyways, let's give it a try. Clearly this is not going to work. Oh no. No. I'm not sure if you guys can see a difference in camera, but it made my hairs way lighter. And I just love how this product brushes your hairs, and then your hairs, they stay in place. That I love. Right here retails for $22, and I love it. I really see myself buying this product, but in the color that I need for my eyebrows because this is not my shade. Next product in my box is this high definition liquid lipstick from the brand Adis. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Oh, let me clean this out. Oops. Ooh, I really like the color. It's very pretty. Serious creamy long wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a one applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. For $24, and that's a little bit pricey for a liquid lipstick, but let's see. I really like the wand applicator. It smells like vanilla, cinnamon, chocolate. I don't even know. That is sticky. I really like the color. It's a beautiful shade, and I mean, it's a little bit sticky, but it's a liquid lipstick. Any liquid lipstick, it's going to be sticky. But I would not pay $24 for this. I'm sorry, but I don't think this is worth $24, my opinion. And the last product in my box is this Dr. Brand says vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask. It says pores no more. Ooh, I'm definitely going to use this. I don't think I will use it all over my face simply because I have rosacea, and I'm afraid that this product might irritate the heck out of my skin. And no, I'm not gonna go there. But I will be putting this product around my nose because I have a bunch of pores and blackheads and, you know, normal stuff. It says this is a award-winning pore refine mask. It's an extraction specialist on clogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oils from the skin surface. This baby here retails for $47. My god. $47 for this little thing right here. Whoa, that is insane. It has little blue beads. The scent, it just has like a clean sort of a scent. This box right here retails for $21 a month, and for example, this product here retails for $47. So $21 for all of these products. Where's the other one? I'm missing one. Oh. All these products you're getting for $21. And just this product itself is $47. Boxycharm is just incredible, and that's why I love Boxycharm, and I highly recommend Boxycharm to anyone because it is the best monthly subscription related to beauty that it's out there. So the value of my box this month is $138, which to me that's insane because I only paid $21 for it. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you guys like what I received this month and the eye makeup tutorial that I created. So anyways, if you did, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean the world to me, you guys. As always, have a beautiful day, night, wherever you are and you're watching this video. Till the next one, guys. Ciao. Mwah.